How's it going, guys? Today we are back. I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing today. I thought I'd make a quick little video out of this. One of my neighbors just gave me my Christmas gift for this year, and it is a little late because of a blizzard we had and everything, but this is what we're going to be taking a look at today. This is the Gerber Greatest Hits 3.0 pack, so let's jump into it. First we have our knives here. We got the Gerber Paraframe 1, the Gerber Evo Jr., which is a knife I haven't seen before. It looks almost like the CRKT M16. And then we have the Air Ranger up here, which looks like a pretty sweet knife. So let's bring them over here on the table and check them out. Alright, so before we start here, I'm going to apologize because this might be a little bit of a challenging video with my hands and looking through the camera to cut things and different things like that. So this might be a little bit out of whack, but we'll see how it goes here. First off, thing I notice here is look at the difference in the colors between the handle material. Look at, it's so cool how it shows up in these lights, how you get the really dark matte black and then this really beautiful olive green. And then also you have the stainless steel over here. So what I'm going to do is try not to destroy the packaging on this stuff, because what I usually do when I make reviews of things is I hang on to the packaging, especially if it's a more expensive knife. But even with these, it's nice to have the specs and all the different stuff, as well as the fact that these are not really super cheap knives. These are actually some pretty decent ones that are pretty good sellers. So we're going to start off over here with the Paraframe and just kind of carefully cut the plastic stuff here. The thing I always get a kick out of with these is that, you know how you buy a knife in the store, right, and it comes in this like puff plastic packaging like this. You have to have a knife to open the knife. I find that absolutely hilarious. Like, it's not like you can just, I mean, you can just roll up to the store and buy a knife, but at the same time you sort of need to have the other things to open it, to get to it. Alright, so I've got this cut open here. Let's take a look at it. This is actually the first time I've held or had a Gerber Paraframe, actually. This is kind of cool because from my understanding it's a pretty popular knife. But yeah, that looks really nice. You got a pocket clip on there, and then of course it is brand new, so it's stiff to open there, but that's pretty nice, I must say. I'm slightly impressed. It's lightweight like everyone says it is, and it's really cool. So I'll be making a review of this here eventually. Now let's move on to the Evo Jr. Now my understanding is they also make a full-size version of this knife, which I honestly would be quite curious about depending on how I feel about this one, because I feel like it's a slight bit small, but I do like the way it looks. It's got that CRKT M16 vibe to it. Oh, this is even lighter yet. Check this out. That's a pretty sweet looking knife. I like the color combo they went with on all these. It's a really good. Let's see if we can flick it. It's got a little flipper on there, which is kind of nice. Let's see if we can get it closed here. Flick it. I've got to lube these up so I can flick them open and stuff, but you can also use the thumb studs. It's kind of cool. Let's see if I can get it here. There we go. Stiff little guys right out of the box, but super nice. And then let's take a look at the Air Ranger here. Oh, look at those colors. The differences in the colors. That's so cool. Right now I'm a little bit obsessed with different colors lately, I've noticed. Just seeing how they show up in different light and different things like the film lights down here. And yeah, I'm super stoked on the way these look in the lights. It's going to be great for some photos and stuff. Let's get this guy out of here. Here's the Air Ranger, super light. Got a little bit of dirt on him here. And then, oh yeah, oh, this is my favorite already. I know it right here. This is my favorite. Probably not going to be a forever carry, but definitely I like that one a lot. I like that. That's a really nice one. So let's get rid of this so you can see the, look at the coloring right there. That's really nice. Alright, and just like that, we have reached the end of the video. Check out those knives. Those are some pretty cool little guys right there. We're going to be carrying them, testing them out, using them here, and be making some reviews about them. This is going to be a year full of knife reviews. Got a whole bunch of knives left over from last year that I need to make videos about, and I'm already starting off strong this year. So anyway, that is the unboxing or unpackaging of the Gerber Greatest Hits 3.0 package of knives. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button, 2023 style, if you're into that sort of thing, and leave us a comment down below, and be sure to share the video with a friend. If you're new here, please consider clicking subscribe. We try and make a new video every week. As always, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next video.